so hard. You got hysteria? Back to reality. Pressure is the amount of force over area. Now for the real definition. Pressure means a lot of particles causing more motion. Jesus, Hg, ATM, kPa, MPa. That's a lot of units going to be causing a lot of commotion. Don't forget to change the temperature from Celsius to Kelvin.
Calm down, Van Veer. You don't need to be yelling.
Now it's time for the formula. This is known as Boyle's Law. P1V1 equals P2V2. Trying to solve this formula, you know half the times I've been through. Now up next is your favorite Gay-Lussac's formula. It's P1 divided by T1 equals P2 divided by T2. You'll know what to do after I do that formula at you. Last but not least, it's time for Charles. This one's for all the marbles. V1 divided by T1 equals V2 divided by T2. Yo, Zach.